Hi everyone, today we are going to see about the writing task 1. So in that we are going to see about the sample 4. Okay. So the question given is the components of GDP in the UK from 1992 to 2000. So the bar graph will be given like this. Okay, gross domestic product from IT and service industry of the UK. So it is measured as a percentage in x axis and y axis, the year it's mentioned. Okay, so like this it's given for the UK country, the gross domestic product, that will be called as a GDP. So IT and service industry usage. So now coming to the answer. So we are starting with paraphrasing the question. So the bar chart illustrates the gross domestic product generated from the IT and service industry in the UK from 1992 to 2000. Again, we are giving a conclusion. It is measured in percentage. It is measured in percentage. So overall, it can be seen that both increased as a percentage of GDP, but IT remained at a higher rate. So this is a key word we have to mention, higher rate throughout this time. So in first paragraph, we are paraphrasing the question, right? So we are starting with illustrates. The bar chart illustrates the gross domestic product generated. We are adding generated, and then the year we are mentioning, and percentage is measured. Okay ma'am. So next followed by conclusion part, that is measured as overall. It can be seen both increased as a percentage. And in the first paragraph, at the beginning, we are starting with this keyword, at the beginning of the period in 1992, the service industry accounted for 4% of GDP, whereas IT exceeded this just over 6%, just over 6%. And over the next 4 years, so as we are calculating in next 4 years, 92 to 96, we are calculating next 4 years, the levels become more similar with both components standing between 6 and just over 8%. So IT was still higher overall. This is another keyword we have to adjoin. So it is a higher overall throughout. It dropped slightly. Again, it's another keyword, dropped slightly from 1994 to 1996. And we are finishing this first paragraph, starting with second paragraph. However, over the following 4 years, the patterns of the two components were noticeably different, and the percentage of the GDP from IT increased quite sharply. Is another keyword, quite sharply, to 12 in 1998, and then nearly 15 in 2000, while the service industry stayed nearly the same, increasing only 8%. Okay, so we are completing this two paragraph. At the end of the period, the percentage of GDP from the IT was about almost twice that of the service industry. So we are ending with this, and total words is 182. So that's it. So we have to correlate with this tools, introduction, conclusion part, and body paragraph, and ending with conclusion part. So total words is 182. That's it. Thank you.